Hey guys, welcome back to itsPriscillaMarie. Today I really wanted to do an eyeshadow eye look using the I Love Sarai eyeshadow palette with ColourPop. I wanted it to be a little bit more of a natural wearable with a pop of color. I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Alright, go ahead and apply your favorite eyeshadow primer. I'm using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade 2 and blending that out with a typical foundation brush, doing little dabbing motions. Right, I'm going to go into that bright orange shade in the palette and I am applying that directly into the crease and also above the crease to create a nice transition. And I'm doing window wiper motions. Alright, now I'm going in with that deep purple brown shade. I'm applying that directly into the crease, doing little circular motions. Alright, and just keep on building that up. Alright, now I'm going back in with that deep shade and I'm applying that in dabbing motions to the outer corner of my eyes to create that dimension. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease again using the P. Louise eyeshadow primer, and I am using, I believe that is a concealer brush from Wet and Wild. It's a little out of focus, sorry, my bad. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit more of that plumness into that crease-ish. Right now I'm going into that gold orangey shade with that gold reflex, and I'm applying that exactly where I cut that crease using a nice dense brush. I did not have to wet my brush for this look. This color is so freaking pretty. It's like perfect orange with gold. Then I'm going to go ahead and make sure everything is nice and blended together so you can have a nice smooth transition. I'm just doing little dabbing motions for that. Alright, now I'm going into that deep, I guess, turquoise color in the palette. And I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. I did have to wet my brush. I actually used the Morphe setting spray in order to create that clean, I guess you could say, liquidy look. But yeah, that is all I did. Use the tape as my guide. Then I went back in with that purpley brown shade and I went ahead and applied that to my lower lashes to smoke out the look. So hard to get this in focus. My goodness. See my ear. I went ahead and lined my eyes and I also tightlined with the Inglot gel eyeliner in 77. It's probably my favorite eyeliner. No, that probably is my favorite eyeliner. Broke my eye, you know, that hurted. I started to water a little. Same old, same old. Right, and that is pretty much it. I did apply mascara off camera. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. I love you guys oh so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Ciao.